In this video, I'm going to take you through the very simple teacher supervisor responsibilities. The first thing that teacher supervisors need to ensure is that they're logged into a computer that is hooked up to the printer they're going to be using during the course of the exam. Once they're logged into the computer using their ECSD credentials, they're simply going to visit classroom.google.com. Once you get to the Google Classroom, you're going to see that your lead proctor has invited you to be a teacher for a specific diploma exam. So you might see one, you might see more exams. You're simply going to accept the exam you've been invited to teach. Once you've accepted this invitation, you're going to be able to be inside of this classroom. And we're going to have just a double check to make sure that the security of the classroom and the setup is done correctly. The first thing the teacher supervisor wants to check is the gear setting, the class settings in the top right-hand corner, and just double check that it has been secured so that only teachers can post or comment. This is also where you're going to find your class code to display for the students to join the classroom. You can display this via a projector, or you could simply write it on a whiteboard or a poster available in the room for the students the morning of the exam. The next thing you're going to want to double check is you're just going to want to check the classwork section and make sure that you see the assignments needed for the exam that you're supervising, as well as is the template attached so that each student will get a copy. Once that's all done, you're ready to supervise the exam, to display the code for the students and invite them in. One other thing to note is that your lead proctor will be giving you slips of paper prepared for each student that has a unique username and password. This is what the students will be logging into the Chromebooks with as they're writing their exam. So it'll look a little something like this. You'll see a spreadsheet, you'll see their login, you'll see their password, and of course you'll see their student name as well. This is going to help you identify also which student needs to be able to print during the exam.